Okay, so this is how your Gmail interface looks like. Okay, so what you want to do is come to this cog icon. Okay, click on it, then click on see all settings. Okay, then come to accounts and imports, scroll downwards, then click where it says add another email address. Okay, so once there, so we're going to type in our email address. So in this case it's rob@shradhouse.com. I'll use this one. Then you want to click on next. Okay, you want to type in again your email, rob@shradhouse.com. Then you want to make sure you type in the correct password. Okay, so the port number should be 587. Click on add account. Okay, now what we need to do is just check our email. Okay, for confirmation we need to confirm to confirm. Okay, we just need to open our email address, which is rob@shradhouse.com. Then we need to confirm that we want to send our email, which is rob@shradhouse.com, through the Gmail interface. So I'll just go to I'll just open my email. Okay, so this is actually the server email address. You can see the address here at the top. It's k254.shradhouse.com. If I refresh this page, we should see our email. Okay, just wait for it to refresh. We can actually refresh the whole page. And there you go. So here's the email address. So just click on open it. Then you want to click on this link here. You can read everything here if you want. Let me just zoom everything for you. Okay, you have requested to add rob@shradhouse.com to your Gmail account. Before you can send email from, you can read this for yourself. So you just need to click on this link, which is what we'll do. So after clicking on it, it says please confirm sending mail as Rob. Okay, see what it says. Confirm sending mail as rob@shradhouse.com. Then just click on confirm. Okay, so that's it. After doing that, just go back to your account here, and now you can see we've added your email here. So if you want to compose, you can just click on compose. All right, I'll just close this window. Then I'll just refresh this page. Okay, all right, so if I click on compose, you should be able to see a drop down like so. Okay, you can select from which email address do you want to send your email. So in this case, it's Robert Rob, which is rob@shradhouse.com. Then you can send your email. Okay, now you now have the ability to send. You also need to read inboxes that are sent to rob@shradhouse.com. So to do that, let me just minimize this. We'll need to click on add check mail. Okay, let me show you. Check mail from other accounts. You just need to click on add a mail account. Okay, so now that we've added, just come here again. Right, click on next, and then click on next again. Then you want to type in the email address again. Use the same password. Okay, make sure it's the correct password. Let me just make sure. Then under the server, the pop server, you want to use ke254.shradhouse.com. It's very important. Under the port number, you want to select 993. All right. So you want to check these boxes. Leave a copy of retrieved messages on the server. Always use secure connection. You want to check on that. Then if you want to label all the emails that come to rob@rados.com in that Gmail interface, you need to check on this box. I'll show you later on how it looks. Then just click on add account. Okay. So there was a problem connecting to KE254. If you see an error like that, just click on show error. Okay. So this is quite technical, but basically what we'll need to do is just change the port number. We'll use the 995. Okay. Then after doing that, we'll say add account. Okay. And that was successful. Now, if I refresh this mail, you can see it's saying checking email right here. It's checking mail. So after a few seconds, you'll receive your inbox. Your inbox will be populated. You know, all the mails that come to rob@rados.com. And in this label section, you'll see a label by the name rob@rados.com. It will be shown right here. Okay. Let me refresh this page so that I can show you. Okay, if I refresh the page and you just want to click on again reload. Okay, so just wait. Alright, so you can now see 41. Let me just show you. Let's check 0 minutes ago. You can see 41 mails fetched, which means we now have you can see these labels right here where it says rob@rados.com. So if I click on that, it's going to take us to our inbox. Okay, so you can basically receive all the emails that come to your work email, which in this case it's rob@rados.com, using the Gmail interface. So you can see everything here. Okay, if you click on inbox in general, you can see they're labeled rob@rados.com. Okay, so any other email that comes to your Gmail email address will not be labeled as such. Alright guys, so if you have any question, now let's just send a dummy email. I'll click on compose, and you now have an option to select in the drop down section. You can say I want to send email from rob@rados.com. Then you can do that. I'll say I want to send to myself, to my other email address, which is rados.kenya. I'll send it to another Gmail account just to show you that it works. I'll say something like hello there. Okay, I'll compose my message. This is just a test, nothing serious. Okay, so after doing that, I'll click on send, and now we'll need to check our email to see if it was sent successfully. Okay, I'll just open my Gmail. Okay, I'll open Gmail. Then we should have received an email from rob@rados.com. So I'll just need to wait for a few seconds, then I'll refresh the page. As you can see, it's exactly what we use here. So you can see I've added all these labels. I can check emails I can basically use the Gmail interface. These are right here. And here are the email, okay? Hello there. So if I open that email, alright, so we received our email, so it's working just fine. Okay? In our other video tutorials, I had shown you how to check if an email is legit or not. So you need to check where it says from, and it should be from rob@rados.com. Okay? So yeah, that's it guys. If I reply and say well received, and send it back, if I go to the other Gmail interface here, after a few seconds you should see it here under robertschroders.com. Okay, I'll refresh this page, refresh the page, and sometimes if you don't receive an email immediately, I'll show you what you need to do. If I click on this and you don't get any message, okay, so this is the inbox. If you don't receive it instantly, you just need to come back to the setting cog icon right here, click on it, see all settings, okay, see all settings, okay. After click on seeing all settings, you just need to come to accounts and import again, the same process we had started with. Then you just need to scroll downwards here, then you want to come to this section where it says check mail from other accounts, and you can just click on this mails, check mail now. Okay, click on that, and what this will do is fetch the email and make it appear in your inbox. So you can see here it says one mail fetched. Okay, so you just need to like go to your label, in this case your professional work email, and here is your email. Okay, we've received our email, which is hello there. If I open that email, you can see our reply. Okay, so everything is working as expected. So if you have any other question, feel free to let me know. Cheers, and please don't forget to follow for more videos like this. Alright, so cheers, bye.